Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the phone so the update can install smoothly. First, plug into a charger or confirm battery is above 50%. Updates can pause or fail on low power. Next, back up your essentials, photos, messages, and settings, to cloud or computer so you can restore if needed. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and temporarily disable VPN and data saver to avoid interruptions. Now open Settings and head directly to System Updates to start the check. You'll download and install the update in stages. Tap Check for updates, and when a build appears, review its size and release notes so you know what changes to expect. If it's large, confirm you're on Wi-Fi and allow large downloads. Some devices offer schedule options. Use them if you prefer overnight installs. After downloading, choose Install Now. The phone will prepare and reboot to apply changes. Make sure no critical apps are mid-use, because the device will be unavailable during installation. You finish by confirming the update applied and addressing any issues. After reboot, check Settings right arrow About Phone to verify the new build number and look through app behavior. Update compatibility can occasionally cause slowdowns. If problems appear, clear the system cache or reset network settings first, because those fixes resolve most connectivity and performance issues. If a stubborn app misbehaves, boot into safe mode to isolate it. As a last resort, back up and perform a factory reset only if other steps fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.